These are the labs for our department, the Department of Automotive and Manufacturing Engineering Technology. Our students typically have a lab component in every single class they take. Graduate programs are very international based. So most of the internships are paid and everything. And Kearney International Center and we work very well together in making sure that the CPT, OPT stuff doesn't have any issues. I'll show you the labs. Please come in. This is the first lab an automotive engineering technology undergraduate student sees in their first semester. This car actually is rebuilt by our students. The students work on these engines as part of their coursework. So they change stuff on the engines, they bring in the pipes, make their own chassis, they buy a stock engine, they change the engine to the settings they want, they make the whole body themselves, they test it, they run it, and then they take it to competition. One of the projects automotive students are working on this year is an electric go-kart. We do an electric formula. So the regular formula, which is an engine based, they convert it into an electric car. We make molds, we take carbon fiber, fiberglass, those exotic materials, and the body for the formula car, that's made here. The formula car made wings this year and everything was made here in this lab. We take pride in helping students go through the labs. We teach composites as a class. So they come in for 5 weeks here every week, spend 2 hours, do the lab stuff. This is an automotive simulator. We just got a grant to buy this. There will be a high fidelity computer screen right here. You can sit on it and simulate the entire driving. So students can learn different aspects of driving and automotive systems. We bought this robot last year. It's a $50,000 robot. It's a cobot actually. It's a collaborative robot. We teach students how to operate this. So the students can learn how to weld virtually using AR, VR headsets. We have 3D printers here, another robot. We have a CNC machine which the students use. We have programmable logic controllers. A lot of new machines are coming into our facility, and that's our way of upgrading ourselves every year. Our industrial partners tell us is our students are ready day one. The machines they use in industry, we teach them right here. So it's not like they'll enter into the workforce and they don't know what are they doing, what machines are they using. Everything is taught here. This is another lab the students use from year one. We teach a course called Manufacturing Processes, where the students come in and use this lab every week. This is Professor Al Woodkey. He is the whole and soul of this lab and a very dear friend.
Hello, hello. My lab is your lab.
The students operate the machines themselves under supervision. So when they go in industry, these are the same machines they use, so they're ready. We can show you some of the projects the students have made in the past on this side. We teach them engineering drawing, we teach them how to make these parts, how are they made in industry, and then they learn how to do them here.
Some of them are actually used. So we went and got all the specifications for this chain that we were using, and we machined this in a matter of a couple hours. Just another example, we were degreeing a camshaft in an internal combustion engine one day, and we didn't have the right indicator wheel to dial in the camshaft so it's phased properly. So we made Earl. That set of cylinder heads went 330 miles an hour in 1,000 feet.
One of our students from Sri Lanka, he is now the head of the electric division in Harley Davidson. He did his undergrad here, his master's here. Again, some of the very interesting things our students end up doing when they are here. We want to make them feel part of our community, try to make sure that we're all a family, we stick together, we help them grow. The labs are always open for them. They learn and then they use the labs. Al, they want you in the picture too.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
Thank you.